A disc harrow is an advanced agricultural implement engineered to deliver powerful soil preparation across a wide range of farming conditions. Designed with multiple concave steel discs arranged in offset gangs, the tool cuts into the soil with precision, breaking up compacted layers while slicing through crop residue, roots, and weeds. As it moves across the field, the discs rotate and dig into the ground, shattering hard clods and mixing organic matter uniformly throughout the topsoil. This process not only creates a smooth, even seedbed but also enhances soil aeration, boosts nutrient distribution, and improves overall soil structure. The disc harrow is built with a heavy-duty, reinforced frame to withstand rigorous use, especially in fields with heavy debris or challenging terrain. Adjustable disc angles and customizable configurations allow farmers to refine cutting depth and aggressiveness depending on soil conditions, making the disc harrow a versatile tool for both primary and secondary tillage. Beyond simply preparing land for planting, the disc harrow plays a strategic role in improving long-term soil health and enhancing crop performance. By efficiently incorporating leftover plant matter back into the soil, it aids decomposition, supports beneficial microorganisms, and enriches soil fertility over time. Its ability to level uneven ground ensures that seeds are planted at consistent depths, promoting uniform germination and healthier early growth. The disc harrow also reduces the presence of weeds by uprooting their roots and burying their remnants, helping farmers maintain cleaner fields with less dependence on chemicals. Designed for endurance and performance, it significantly cuts down on preparation time, increases field coverage, and minimizes manual labor, making it an indispensable asset for farmers aiming to maximize productivity and efficiency. Whether used on small farms or extensive agricultural fields, the disc harrow remains a cornerstone tool that ensures every planting season begins with optimal soil conditions for higher yields and sustainable farming practices.